Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm amanijeniece, aka Beauty by AJ. Today's video is going to be the baby wash routine that I do with Amara every 2 weeks. So if you want to see this video, make sure you continue to watch. So we're going to start by wetting her hair. I'm a little cheap, so I use an old measuring cup that doesn't have the measuring marks anymore. Don't want to throw it away because it still worked. So I'm using that to pour the water on her hair. And then for her shampoo, I use the Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil baby wash and shampoo. Ooh, that was a mouthload. So I use this, and this stuff smells really good, and it's not drying. So her hair is still moisturized when I wash this out. And honestly, this wash day routine is not hard. The hardest part is washing her hair, but she does not like to lean back, and I don't wash her hair in the bathtub because I don't like to wash her hair at night because I don't want her to go to sleep with wet hair. So if you have any recommendations on how to make this process easier, please let me know because she's making it harder than it has to be. So now that the shampoo is all washed out, I use water to re-dampen the hair, and then I'm going to use Smootie Pie Organics line. I saw this on Instagram and it's been working for me. I don't really have anything negative to say. It's not like amazing, but it does what it's supposed to do. So I use this leave-in conditioner, and this acts as a really good detangler. It provides a lot of slip for her hair. All of the Smootie Pie organic products that I use are vegan, by the way. I use the curling custard to define her curls, but the only thing about this product is you have to be very light-handed because it will leave a residue on your baby's hair if you are very heavy-handed, which is something I am. So I've been working on trying not to use as much, and it seems to help when I only use a tiny bit. And as you can see, these are her 2 puffs. I'm going to define her curls by using the small comb and running it through her curls. I know, do not use a small tooth comb in natural hair, but she has really thin hair and really, she doesn't have a lot of hair, so I feel comfortable doing this. So for the perimeter of her hair, I use the leave-in conditioner to spray and kind of run the comb through the curls. The curls in the back actually have a little bit of length, so I do run the comb through them, but for the rest of the hair, I just kind of run my fingers through it and coil them so that way the curls can kind of define a little bit more. So now I am using the curling custard, and I'm going to put that around the hair, around her perimeter again to make sure the curls are defined. And then my last step is this, the Smootie Pie Organics Growth Oil. I'm not really sure if it's growing anything yet. This is still to be determined. But you know, I like it because it moisturizes her scalp, and her hair gets super dry really quickly. So I try to keep her hair, I try to keep her scalp moisturized so she doesn't get cradle calf or anything like that. And then I did add a little bit of coconut oil. I don't do this on a regular basis. It was just in front of me and I was like, why not? That's pretty much all I do for her wash day routine. I don't do too much products because she is a baby and I don't want her to have a harsh reaction to anything because she does have sensitive skin. And I don't really have to do a lot because she doesn't have that much hair. So if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, make sure you leave a comment down below. Make sure you thumb up this video. And if you have not already done so, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And this is me and Amara saying bye, guys. And we will see you in our video next time.